Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily send crypto from your Exodus account to your Coinbase account. So what you want to do is actually open Exodus and then go to your wallet, then click on whatever coin you have and you want to send to Coinbase and click send. When you're gonna have it sent to Bitcoin address, you want to go on the Coinbase to top right, send and receive. Then click here on the top right, receive, and copy the address. Then go back to Exodus and simply paste it right here. You see that we have the markup, that is all fine. I don't have any Bitcoin right now. This is just for a tutorial for you how to do it. My recommendation, it should work, but definitely guys, don't send everything all at once. Send a small amount first and then send everything else, so you actually know that it works. Yes, you're gonna pay probably some money in fees, but it's still worth it because you know that your crypto is safe. So don't send everything all at once, send a small amount, then send everything else. Thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.